Let's do some Halloween nail art. So I applied this LA Colors gel polish in topless, and I'm also applying a liquid latex tape, as we should always use protection when we are doing messy things. So to protect my finger and the cuticle area, I applied the latex tape. Now with the sponge we are going to do some gradient effect. So I paint the polish in the center and outline it with the black polish so I can get the gradient effect like this. So we're going to dab it until we have desired gradient effect. So I like this effect. Now I'm going to remove the liquid tape and clean up the any mess with the nail polish remover and a brush, so make it look nice and neat. Now with the orange acrylic paint, I'm going to paint some pumpkins. So to paint the pumpkins, I just draw a pumpkin shape like this, and to make it more 3D and at least two-dimensional, I'm going to outline it with the black acrylic paint and a fine detailing brush. I have linked all the products I have used in the description box, so please check them out if you want to purchase them. And this is how my pumpkin look like. I outline it so to make the ridges look more prominent, and I'm going to draw a vine also. And then on a middle finger, I'm going to just write a Halloween tagline, boo. And to make it more 3D, I'm just going to use some orange color and do some shading. I'm not very good at that, but I'm just at least trying it. So this is how it came out, and it looks pretty good. So I'm going to now outline the nail area with some black paint. If you miss the gradient with the sponge, you can always add with the brush, so it gives a nice finished look. Now I'm going to seal everything in with my favorite top coat. It's by Sally Hansen Insta Dry, and it dries in 60 seconds. So this is how it came out. How you guys like it? Please don't forget to like, share and comment below, and happy Halloween everyone in advance. Thank you for watching.